Book of Isaiah, chapter 64. Oh, that you would tear the heavens open. Come down, that mountains shall shake before you. As when fire burns twigs, as fire makes water boil, to make your name known to your adversaries, so that nations tremble before you. When you did awesome matters which we did not expect, you came down, mountains did shake before you. Since the beginning of the ages, they have not heard nor perceived by the ear, nor has the eye seen any Elohim besides you, who acts for those who wait for him. You shall meet him who rejoices and does righteousness, who remembers you in your ways. See, you were wroth when we sinned in them a long time. And should we be saved? And all of us have become as one unclean, and all our righteousnesses are as filthy rags. And all of us fade like a leaf, and our crookednesses, like the wind, have taken us away. And there is no one who calls on your name, who stirs himself up to be strengthened in you. For you have hidden your face from us, and have consumed us because of our crookednesses. And now, O YAHUAH, you are our Father, we are the clay, and you our potter. And we are all the work of your hand. Do not be wroth, O YAHUAH, nor remember crookedness forever. See, please look, all of us are your people. Your set-apart cities have become a wilderness. Sion has become a wilderness, Jerusalem a waste. Our set-apart and comely house, where our fathers praised you, has been burned up with fire, and all that we treasured has become a ruin. In view of all this, would you restrain yourself, O YAHUAH? Would you keep silent and afflict us beyond measure?